you the government's version because the centre, which has completely debunked Congress's claims, according to the clarification issued by the Ministry of Defence, Rajnath Singh's remarks were specifically intended to counter a widely circulated false narrative at the time that claimed that Indian Air Force pilots had been killed during Operation Sindoor. The union government, which has now rejected misleading social media claims that Raksha Mantri Rajnath Singh had stated that no Indian soldier was killed during Operation Sindoor, asserting that his remarks in Parliament has been selectively quoted and stripped of their context. In the meantime, let's get you a basic understanding of what is now being claimed on part of the Congress party so far, and of course when it comes to the counter that is now coming in from the government side as well. Now the counter to the Congress's version saying that Raksha Mantri Rajnath Singh deliberately on the floor of the House misled the Parliament in not giving out if there were any casualties during Operation Sindoor, but this seems to be the counter that has now come in from the government side, saying that they never hid the information on Operation Sindoor martyrs. Also saying that the remarks that were intended to counter false narrative, that time it was a bit too much right after when it comes to a ceasefire that had now come into reach between both sides, and the government is of the opinion that they countered the false narratives around the Indian Air Force pilots, and of course when it comes to the remarks that were also coming in from the leadership of the United States. However, the ministry has now come out to say that the remarks were selectively quoted by the opposition and they have been lacking context. This is the clarification that has now been issued by the Ministry of Defence. In the meantime, let's connect with Nyamika on this. Nyamika, good morning. Now, this seems to be the very portion where K.C. Venugopal, according to what he is now moved as far as this privileged motion is concerned, his opinion is in this letter to the Speaker Om Birla that he's urged the Speaker to initiate privileged proceedings under Rule 223 of the Rules of the Procedure and Conduct of Business in the Lok Sabha, where Nyamika, he is accusing the Raksha Mantri of misleading the House.
Well, yes, indeed. This is an attack which is being made by the Congress party upon the Defence Minister Rajnath Singh. In fact, recently a press conference was also being held in the Congress party where they had demanded that the Defence Minister should not just apologize to the country, but he should also give his resignation for lying within the Parliament. And now the latest is coming in on the part of Mr. K.C. Venugopal, who is the General Secretary of organization, as he has moved a privileged motion against the Defence Minister Rajnath Singh, writing a letter to the Speaker Om Birla, in which he has basically accused Rajnath Singh for misleading the Parliament by stating during the time of Operation Sindoor debate last year that no Indian soldier has been killed. In fact, he has also demanded that a privilege proceeding should be initiated against the Defence Minister under Rule 223. In fact, he has also stated in this particular letter that when this discussion was taking place regarding the Operation Sindoor and the Pahalgam terror attack, it was Defence Minister Rajnath Singh who has informed the Parliament that no harm has been done to any of the Indian soldiers. However, he has also noted that the government has since acknowledged that 6 personnel of the armed forces have died during these military operations. So he is basically making this allegation that this is a contempt of the House, the way in which there is a wrong statement, wrong remark which is being made by the Defence Minister Rajnath Singh within the Parliament, and it is completely against the rules of the Parliament of the House, and that is the only reason why he is demanding
that it is well established that misleading the House or withholding information from the House by a minister on the floor of the House constitutes to a breach of privilege and the contempt of the House. Thank you very much, Nyamika, for joining us here on the broadcast. In the meantime, let's also talk about how the Indian Army has rejected the claims that the sacrifice of the 6 soldiers during Operation Sindoor was acknowledged only recently. In fact, a fact check that has been posted on social media as well, where the Indian Army has clarified that fallen personnel were officially honored during a press briefing that was held on the 11th of May 2025, and this is an acknowledgement that has been done under the public purview. So this has now come across as far as saying that the selective remarks that has been made on part of Raksha Mantri Rajnath Singh on the floor of the House, the opposition in merely, when we speak of the Congress party, seems to be using a certain portion of his speech, and that seems to be now taken out of context. So this is now coming in, especially when it comes to the Indian Army, which has honored the braveheart, saying that it is clarified that the nation paid homage to the fallen heroes at the earliest opportunity, and especially on the official press briefing that was held on the 11th of May 2025 by the then DGMO, paid solemn tribute to these brave soldiers of Operation Sindoor, and the bravehearts were also conferred with gallantry awards, and this is something which has been published in press release of the 14th of August 2025. So here is the dismissal and the clarity that is now coming in from the armed forces.